Hello everyone, welcome to online classes. Myself VGS Kumar. Today we will discuss chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. By the end of this video, you will come to know the terms algebraic expressions, numerical expressions, algebraic equation, linear equation in one variable. So let us start with the algebraic expression. In an algebraic expression, constants and variables are connected by mathematical operation plus, minus, addition and subtraction. That is, for example, 4x plus 5. Here, the constant and variable. Constant means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that numbers, and variable means English alphabets x, y, z. These are considered in maths as variable. So here constants and variables are connected by, here multiple sign is used, and to connect 4x and 5 plus sign is used. Therefore two symbols are used here. One is multiple sign, that is the mathematical operation means plus, minus, into, division. These are the four mathematical operations. Here two are used. It can be one also. Therefore here constants and variables are connected by multiple sign and plus sign. Another example, x minus y. Here two variables are connected by minus sign, or y by 3. Here y and 3 is connected with the division symbol. This is we can read as y divided by 3. So different operations are used to connect constants and variables. Now next one is numerical expression. For example for numerical expression is 4 plus 5. Here only numbers. Numbers are used. Mathematical operations are used, but only numbers are there. So these type of expressions are called numerical expression. If there is any variable like this x, y, z, then it is called algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, variables will be there. In numerical expression, only numbers. Now algebraic expression, equation. That is when two algebraic expressions are connected by equal to sign. When two expressions are connected by equal to sign, then it is an algebraic equation. That is here equal to sign. In an equation there must be equal to sign. Now next one is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable means it is an algebraic equation in which power of the variable is 1. That is, for example, 4x plus 7 equal to 2. That means that here power of variable is x. Power of the variable is 1. If it is written x, that means power of x is 1. If it is x raised to 2, power of variable is 2. Here power of the variable is 1. Therefore, it is an algebraic equation in which power of the variable is 1. And in one variable, there should be only one variable. That is only one single variable, that is x only. No other variable, only single variable. Therefore, this is called a linear equation in one variable. Now, in an equation, this part, that is left side part, is called LHS. Left side part is called LHS, that is 4x plus 7, and RHS is 2. That is right hand side. This is called this is left hand side and this one is right hand side. So LHS is 4x plus 7 and RHS equal to 2. These are the some basic concepts in this chapter. We already studied it. I think you are remembering all these things. Algebraic expressions, numerical expression. Algebraic expression means the constants and variables are connected with the mathematical operations. Mathematical operation means plus, minus, start with the equation. Exercise 2.1. First question, that is x minus 2 equal to 7. Here solve means you have to find the unknown variable. That is here x, value of x you have to find. So first question, x minus 2 equal to 7. This is the equation given, and here we have to find the value of x. So the remaining things you have to remove from here, then only x we can find. So first we will take minus 2 onto the right side. That is, we are applying here transposing method. So minus 2 we are taking from here and it will write here. And when minus is taken from the left side, LHS to right side, minus 2 becomes plus 2. That is the rule. That is, here from here we can write x equal to 7 plus 2. X equal to 7 plus 2. Then from this we can write x equal to 9. X equal to 9. That is, first we have taken minus 2 on right side. So if LHS, if it is minus, it becomes plus on RHS. Therefore x equal to 7 plus 2, and 7 plus 2 you know 9. Therefore this is the value of x in the first equation. Solve means find the value of x. Now next question, that is 3 by 7 plus x. 3 by 7 plus x. That is equal to 17 by 7. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. Now here also we have to find the value of x. And what I said before is keep x on one side and other things we have to take to right side. So 3 by 7, here it is plus, no sign is there, that means it is plus. Plus 3 by 7 is there. So we will shift into right side. So this equation becomes x equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Because plus 3 by 7 is taken to right side. Now it becomes negative. Now here subtraction of two fractions. When we are doing the subtraction of two fractions, denominator should be same. Here in both the cases, denominator is 7. So we can simply subtract the numerator. That is 17 minus 3 divided by 7. Because the denominator is same. So simply subtract the numerator. Therefore this becomes 14 divided by 7. And 14 divided by 7, you know, when we divide 14 with the 7, answer is 2. Therefore, second answer. Second means in your book it is fourth question. So fourth question answer is x equal to 2. Next we will discuss, first you write these two, then we will discuss question number 7. That is 2x by 3 equal to 18. 2x by 3 equal to 18. That is the question number 7 on your copy. 2x by 3 equal to 18. And here this is given as a fraction. So 18 we can write it as 18 by 1. Because 18 by 1 is 18. Now this is of the form a by b equal to c by d. A by b equal to c by d. And I think all of you remember that if two fractions are equal, here this fraction is equal to this fraction, then you can do the cross multiplication. That is, from here we can write a into d equal to b into c. That is, if two fractions are equal, here you can see this here what we applied is this one, cross multiplication. That is, if two fractions are equal, we can do the cross multiplication. That is a into b, that is equal to b into c. By applying this, we got the value of x. Now the next question, that is 1.6 equal to y divided by 1.5. Question number 8. 1.6 equal to y divided by 1.5. And here also we can write 1.6 as 1.6 divided by 1, that is equal to y divided by 1.5. Now this is of the form a by b equal to c by d. If two fractions are equal, you can do the cross multiplication. That is a into b, that is equal to b into c. A into b, that is equal to b into c. So the same we can apply here. That is 1.6 multiplied by 1.5, that is equal to y. Y into 1 is y. So y equal to 1.6 multiplied by 1.5. Now 16 into 15, first we can find 16 multiplied by 50. Therefore, answer is 240. 240. And here you can see after decimal 1 digit, and here also after decimal 1 digit. Therefore, in the answer after decimal 2 digit. Therefore, answer is y equal to 2.40. This calculation to do with the right side margin. So answer y equal to 2.40. Now question number 9. Question number 9, that is 7x minus 9. 7x minus 9, that is equal to 16. 7x minus 9 equal to 16. First what we are doing is, this x term we will keep here, other terms we will take to right side. So 7x equal to 16 plus 9. Minus becomes plus on right side. Therefore 16 plus 9, then 7x equal to 25. 7x equal to 25. From this x equal to 25 divided by 7. That is, here it is multiplication, and when it is coming on the right side, multiplication becomes division. If it is division, when it is coming to right side, it becomes multiplication. So here 7x equal to 25. Suppose if 4x equal to 8. Then x we can find by 8 divided by 4. The same way 7x equal to 25. Therefore x we can find by this right side number divided by 7. Since this is the multiplication, it becomes division. If it is subtraction, here it becomes addition. And if it is addition, when it comes to right side, it becomes subtraction, and multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So answer is x equal to 25 divided by 7. So we have done questions 1, 4, 7, 8, 9 from your book. The remaining questions you can do as homework. Very simple question. So you can do as homework. This 5 questions we have done. I think the remaining 4 questions that you plus 9. And I hope all of you understood. Solve means find the value of the variable x. If the variable is x, find the value of x, and if the variable is y, find the value of y. Solve means find the value of variable. Now we will discuss exercise 2.2, first question onwards. And these are the word problem. First you have to write the question, full question, don't put the dots, write the full question because only 2 or 3 lines are there. So you can write the full question, then do the answering. Here first you listen, read the question carefully. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? This type of question, first we will take the given number, Vx, because we don't know the number. They are asking what is the number. So we will take let the number be x. Let the number be x. Number equal to x. Now second condition is if you subtract 1 by 2 from the given number. Here x is the number. So when you subtract 1 by 2, that number becomes x minus 1 by 2. Suppose if 4 is the number, then if you subtract 1 by 2 from 4, we will write 4 minus 1 by 2. This we can read as we are subtracting 1 by 2 from 4. So here we are subtracting 1 by 2 from x. Therefore we can write x minus 1 by 2. And multiply the result. When we subtract 1 by 2 from x, the number becomes x minus 1 by 2. And multiply it by 1 by 2. That is, we have to multiply the result with the 1 by 2. First we were subtracting 1 by 2 from x. Then it becomes x minus 1 by 2. And that number we have to multiply it with the 1 by 2. Then you will get 1 by 8. That is, according to the given condition, you have to write like this. First you have to subtract 1 by 2 from the given, from the number. We have taken the number x because we don't know the number. So we have taken it as x. And then subtract 1 by 2. So x minus 1 by 2. Then multiply it with the 1 by 2. So since there are two terms, we are putting that in bracket. If there is only one term, we will do like this. But here two terms are there. So that this part we have to put in bracket. Then multiply with the 1 by 2. And the answer we are getting is 1 by 8. So according to the condition, we can write according to the question. According to the question. According to the question, we can write that one. First you write the number x, then subtract 1 by 2, then it becomes x minus 1 by 2. Then multiply that result with 1 by 2. Then answer is equal to 1 by 8. This is the given condition in the question. Now we will open the bracket. That is, this becomes 1 by 2x. First we are multiplying this 1 by 2 into x. Then 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. Therefore minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 8. Here we are applying the distributive property, that is a into b minus c. A into b minus c, that is equal to a into b minus